Hello, welcome back to Mindy Lifestyle. Today I will make beef taco. 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, minced garlic, chopped onion, 1 pound ground beef, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, sweet pepper or bell pepper. I hope you like this video. If you like, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe for my channel for more video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.